My doorbell rang at 3:13 a.m., but the footage showed something impossible. I woke immediately, checked my phone. Doorbell cam, motion detected. The footage showed someone standing outside my door, hooded, face hidden. But as I watched, the timestamp flickered. Then the stranger stepped closer, slowly removing the hood. It was me, my face, my clothes, exactly identical. I watched myself lean into the camera, whispering clearly, "Let me in. I know you're watching." The feed glitched. Suddenly, no one was there. What would you do if you saw yourself outside your door? Comment, don't open, and follow NightSlice for more.